A cube with a side length of 6 cm has a squared pyramid with a 6 cm by 6 cm base and 6 cm height cut out of it. Which has the greatest volume? The cutout pyramid shaped, the remainder of the cube, they have an equal volumes, or none of these. Now, this particular problem, they don't want you to calculate the volume of each one, but just know the difference between the volume of a prism or a cube versus the volume of a pyramid. Remember, the volume for a prism is B equals BH. The volume of a pyramid is 1/3 times BH. So just comparing the two, we know that the prism is going to be 3 times as much as the pyramid. Okay, so now let's read this problem again. It says the cube with a side length of 6 centimeters has a square pyramid. So here we have a cube that's 6 by 6 by 6. And then we have a cube inside, a pyramid inside that has the same square base, but it's going to have a height, same height, that's going to be cut out of it. Now, this pyramid is going to be 1/3 of the prism. So if I have one hole and I cut out 1/3 from it, I still be left with 2/3. So now that's the remaining space in the cube. So now let's look at the options that we have. It says which one has the greatest volume? The cutout pyramid shaped. We know that wouldn't be true because that's only 1/3 of the entire cube. The remainder of the cube, so far, that is bigger than the cutout part. And it says they have the equal volume, which is not true. And this is none of these. So we know that B would be correct because the remainder of the cube is 2/3 of the entire cube, but the pyramid that's being cut out is only 1/3 of the cube.